All right, let's do this. How are you guys doing? Microphone is good. Everything is working great, I guess. Yep, everything is doing great. And yeah, let's do the live stream. So first of all, let me jump to the 5 minute time frame. We took a sell here. Okay, this was our SL at this point, and if I have just put the SL like little bit bigger, like around 20 bips, it was at 17 bips. If I have put the 20 bips, I would have win this trade, which I did send into my Discord group. So basically, we will be up around 40 pips on this trade. And my plan was basically that with the start of the NY session, we will take out the low of this London session. And we did that. Now, at the same time, I knew that, let me do the analysis from top. First of all, like, first thing you need to check, which is this area, okay? Look at this. We are above this zone here. We are above this zone here. Okay, we did break above with the daily candle with a 4 hour. We did break above. Now we are breaking below this zone based on 4 hour time frame. Let me just mark it properly. Okay, so this is a strong zone. Okay, we had a downtrend from here till way down. Now, if we are respecting these levels, jumping to 1 hour time frame here. Now, if we are respecting these levels, then we might continue going down after breaking this low, flipping bearish and all. With the new 4 hour candle, what I was expecting, to be honest, is price to first take out the lows and then flip bullish, but it did not do that. It first went up and it's now, I think rejecting these levels. Now, looking at the 15-minute and so time frame, there's a high possibility that 4 hour candle could go down, but at the same time, we have news at 9:30 p.m. Okay, and it will be something amazing to see because Trump is going to speak, and the only reason it's amazing because there will be much volume in the market today. So if you take a look here, since the Asia, we've been consolidating. Okay, and in London, we did had the momentum. So when I took this trade here, I knew that with this huge drop, price will recover somehow. But I was expecting in NY session, but it did recover in London and it just respected this highs and made a new low here again. So basically, we are in a downtrend right now. This is a change in the what we call trend. But at the same time, if we take a look at the daily and 4 hour time frame, there's a high possibility that we might, after tapping into this, after taking out this low, we might, move up. Okay, we might move up. That is because there's a high possibility with the volume we might move up. Uh, Either it will be in at the 9:30 p.m. or we can do it before 9:30 p.m. We take out these areas to 756 or so. Once we take out those lines, like according to me, we should see a proper downtrend. Otherwise, we could move up till to 785 or 86 because we still have range to fill here. Okay, there is a possibility this could be just uh price making lower low or something like that on a bigger time frame. So now the important thing is we need to wait and see if we get a break of structure here above this zone, and if price continuously reject this area, then we will look for sells. We already got first and second rejection here, and all we need to see is price breaking above this zone and move up. If we do not see anything like that, then the another thing I have to tell you is that this is the daily candle low. This is the previous daily candle low. And according to me, if we are respecting these levels, then we can still see the uptrend. But still, there's a high possibility we can continue go lower. So we'll take a trade accordingly. Like there's no need to rush. We have a lot of time because today I do not need to go anywhere. I mean, I have time. So if you guys have any questions, anything, just fire away. Like, you can write it down in the chat and all. Right. In the meantime, let's take a look at the GBP JPY. So, also let me tell you, the last trade we have taken on GBP JPY, which was this one, we did hit the TP in on this trade, okay, and every position was closed here. And with the gold, we closed it at break even because we put the SL at break even in the Discord group. I did tell you guys that put SL at break even on that trade as well. So it was no win with the gold, but with GJ we did take out around 50 pips of or so. So it will be great, right? Now, right now we are consolidating. At the same time, let's take a look at the daily, weekly, and other levels. Okay. Okay. So weekly, it just take out the week previous candle high, and looking at the monthly, the candle is there's a high possibility this candle could flip bullish. Okay. And if you are looking at something like that, then I think this will be that great idea because we are respecting these levels as well, right? Let's jump to daily time frame. Yeah, I think we're gonna go up from here. So we are looking for buys instead of any sells. And looking at the 1 hour and other time frame here, even if we do tap into these zones, I'm okay with it. Like with this daily candle, not flipping bad bullish. There's a high possibility we just consolidate today and we can move up or down tomorrow. Okay, or with the news we will see like at the 9:30 does it affect GJ much or not. Okay, so we'll trade accordingly, but yeah, we are consolidating at this point. There's nothing much we see. So yeah, let's take a look at the yeah, silver is the similar thing. Right now I'm not trading silver, I'm just analyzing it here right now. GU, yeah, same thing. So yeah, we're gonna keep an eye out on gold and GG right now. Not much. All right. So yeah, we are respecting these levels. We did tap here. We are moving up again. Question is, will this 4 hour candle flip bearish and continue going lower? Let's put this here. So here's the deal, okay? Now, once we break this low here, there's a high possibility we can continue go lower, and that could be taking out the low of the previous candle. And looking at this is like around 50 pip trade, which will be something good to see. So here's the thing. If we take out the low, we'll take a small sell, putting our SL exactly about the candles. And we'll see how we can do on the trade. Okay. But yeah, we need to see a 4 hour low, breaking its own low. I think we did break its low here, and now we are break its own low and moving up. Okay. Yeah, according to me, like we should be driving down. If you're expecting that, then because look at this, okay? So Like we are in a downtrend on a smaller, on a 50-minute and 30-minute time frame. Okay, we are creating this as higher lows, higher highs, and higher low, higher high. Now, after breaking, respecting the levels, we did break it, but yes, still respecting in a small, in some ways. And once we have a break here, then I think we should continue going lower. That's what I think. So I'm gonna take a trade accordingly. Okay, let's jump here. Gold, zoom in a little bit. We'll jump to 1 minute. So this is the levels we have here. Okay. We have 10 minutes left for the 1 hour candle closure here and 30-minute. But the only question I have right now is if we do not move down here to take out the slows, like according to me, price will do something like this. Question is it going to be with news or without? What I see right now is price is pushing down, pushing up, but I want to see like if it's going to. Guys, give me a minute. Give me a minute. Sorry, yeah, I'm here now. All right. Now, let's see. So we are still pushing up here. At the same time, looking at the 15-minute, yeah, we're still pushing up. Now, with this candle, is still, if just wanted to keep moving up, then we are in a different zone than here, right? But yeah, buys is something we can look for, but I just wanted to be sure before we take any buys because we've been moving down here. Yeah, look at this 30-minute candle closing here. There's a high possibility that, you know, we will tap into this zone. That's what I think. There's a really high possibility we will tap into these zones. we took a support of this area. So we still have range to fill. At the same time, we have a strong rejection at this point. If I am looking for buys, then this would be the trade basically. I'll be looking for buys here. But as I said, like, we are respecting this levels. I told you, like, if you respect the yesterday daily candle low and reject those lows and break above, then you have a buying opportunity from here till taking out the London high and Asian high to even move further. Something like this, you can see this is the start of the new trend basically. Once we take out this high, something like this, some consolidation, taking out this, you can see something like that happen today. But at the same time, let's look this. Right. I mean, taking a look at the dollar index here, so depending on the data, depending on the data, price will move, I guess. Let's see, we have a 30-minute closure and 1 hour closure in about 4 minutes, and we'll know how price will move. Like according to bigger time frame, there's a high probability we will still continue lower here. Okay. So all I want to see is tries to tap into this zone basically. Once we tap into this zone, then I think looking for buys will be something amazing. What I mean by tap is this 15-minute candle dropping down and moving up, dropping down and moving up. It will be good. The only reason I want to see this is it will be break of the 4 hour low and rejecting, flipping bullish, and then moving up, taking out this highs, and this candle will close around, to 755. Next candle opening up, shooting up more, even higher around with the news to 278, 75 or 76 or so. But it's depend on the fundamental that we see at the 9:30, right? What Trump is going to say. But yeah, let's see. Let's see. हेलो, कैसे हो भाई? थैंक यू, थैंक यू। आई होप आप सही कर रहे हो सब। कैसा चल रहा है फंडेड अकाउंट? क्या चल रहा है फंडेड अकाउंट में? कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ? ग्रेट, ग्रेट, अच्छी बात है फिर। कंटिन्यू डूइंग इट। मैं एकदम बढ़िया भाई, एकदम बढ़िया, सही चल रहा है सब। So in a minute we have a closure of this candle. एक मिनट में 30 minute, 1 hour और 15 मिनट की कैंडल क्लोज होगी एंड विल सी हाउ प्राइस मूव देन। भाई लाइव स्ट्रीम ही इसलिए कर रहा हूँ कि मैं जो सीख रहा हूँ वो भी सिखा रहा हूँ, तो आपको जो भी मतलब लाइव स्ट्रीम से देखो एनालिसिस क्या क्या होता है, अकॉर्डिंगली सीखो फिर। फिर we got 15-minute closure here, which is good. 30-minute closure as well. 1 hour closure as well. So now all I need to see is this candle wick down first and then move up. If we do that, then I'm gonna take a buy, put SL here, and we'll see how much we can get from this trade. Okay. Did it? Oh, it did take out the high first. So now I'm not sure what should I do here. Should we take the trade or not? I highly doubt we should or not. We should not, to be honest. We've got 9 p.m. and natural gas storage thing. Damn, there's no, there's not much detail. So we got this guy speaking today, and we'll see. We'll see what we can get. Is this the one? Like, where can I watch it live? Can I watch it live? Maybe not here. Or maybe this is a live. Is this the one? एक दिन में अकाउंट ऐसा नहीं होता भाई, एक दिन में अकाउंट नहीं पास कर सकते, एक दिन नहीं पॉसिबल, एक दिन वाला। आप मेरे को देख रहे हो, मैं कुछ लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 20 डेज हो चुके हैं मेरे को ट्रेडिंग स्टार्ट किए हुए लाइव। मेरा अभी फेज 1 क्लियर नहीं हुआ, आप सोच लो। अगर आपको रूल फॉलो करके करना है तो इट इज रियली हार्ड कि आप उस पे करो। I think this is the one, right? Not this one. I don't think so. This is the live. I'm not sure if it's going to be live. I'm trying to find it. Oh, what happened here? Yeah, see, we did push down, but we did not move much. But I think we will move down here. There's a high possibility we're gonna do that instead of moving up. So for me, I'm looking for sells will be great, to be honest. My sells are below this areas. If you break below this areas, then I'll be looking for sells. I highly doubt that I can find the right lengths here. Maybe I can find it here, right? I don't know. Can I? I mean, talking about fundamentals, it's a little bit tough to find things. Forex dollar is steady. Yeah, let it be. Let it be. Okay. Hope our live stream is good. But anyway, like I was not able to find the proper live about this. Like if I have able to find the right link, we can watch like what he is going to speak about. And due to the speak of a World Economic Annual Meeting via satellite, he does it, but it will be interesting to see in the market impact, like how it will be impacting gold. But yeah, how much time we have? We have around like half hour or more than that actually. So we'll see how it turns out to be. But right now we are just consolidating. There's not much to do. We are just waiting at this point. GJ is pushing down, but to take a look at this, I'm not much sure. Like if we break below this levels, then there is a still possibility we can continue till here. So we can take that trade. Yeah, we need a break of structure here, not that. That will be better because this could what it could do is just take out the lows and move up, right? If we need a proper confirmation for price to move down, then this will be better, like something like this to see to take a trade on this. But right now, I do not see that. So we'll just wait. In the meantime, if you guys have any questions, ask ask your questions. If you do not have any questions, then sit till 9:30 p.m. to see how gold is going to move and can we make any money from that or not? Can we pass our funded account from that? Can we? I mean, if we pass our funded account with just one trade, oh, that would be crazy with the Trumps coming in just the start of the speak and damn. But I highly doubt that I'll risk that much. I mean, my risk factor for today will be 2.5%, not more than that, because that will be profit. Okay, so I'm okay with that. To make another 2%, that's all. Not much. To make another 2%. If I make 2%, I'll close, let's say 3%, not 2%, because uh, according to me, we can easily get 3% today. If not, then we will just try to cut our losses and move on to the next week. But yeah, right now we do not have much for price to do because we are just consolidating. I highly doubt that we will move in any way till the Trump speak. So I don't know. We'll see. Tell me, guys, who is doing the live stream right now on YouTube? Who is doing the live stream? Tell me. Is there someone interesting to watch? Is someone interesting to watch? I don't know. Not much, I guess. Not much. Yeah. Yeah, but for gold, what I'm mainly looking for, if we go below these levels, then I think taking a sell here and price will continue lower till this lows. that would be our trade. So, after tapping into these levels, there is a high probability that we might reject. So I'll be careful around these levels. If not, then we'll just hold the trade, right? Basically, if the price is so strong, then we'll hold the trades. Two, two, two. Yeah, yep, yep. Yeah, I mean, price is consolidating. Even if we break above, I don't think so. I'll be able to take any buys here because that will be the break of the 1 hour candle, right? And I cannot take the trade yet. The only reason I cannot take the trade is because what price could do is it just could break and then move down. But there's a high possibility we'll move down, tap into these levels before moving up. So I think for me it will be great if I get the proper market structures. But looking at the trades we have taken in the past, our analysis have been improved, right? Like our analysis has been improving every day, and it's something I'm good. Like I love it. Sometimes I mean like if there's nothing much to do, I'm really not sure what should we do right now. I mean we can we can do what? Tell me guys, we can do what? Do you want to play games or something? Should we play games? Tell me. If you agree, then I'll play games. I mean we will play games till 9:30, and if not, then we'll just watch the chart, watch the news or something, and see. But you have two options. You need to give me guys. Like you can write it down in the chat and we'll see. We'll see from there. Well, we have no response from the chat. We have no response. So I'll just wait till you guys respond then. Okay, price is still consolidating and we have half hour left. And if we see some momentum now, then we can take that and go home. But if not, then we need to wait till 9:30. That's why I started live stream today a little bit late. Like usually our time is around 7:30, but we started a little late today. I think around 8 p.m. I don't know. Yeah, around 8 p.m. Yeah, that's right. Once this 4 hour candle flip, we'll see momentum till here. That's what I think. All we need to see is this 4 hour candle flipping bearish to take sells. Then we can see. How much will be risking? 60 pips. That's too much. And we'll be targeting around how much then? 70 pips. So that means we'll be risking around, let's calculate a little bit of risk. So we can take around 3 lot size if we want to take a sell here, and we can put SL above here and we can target this lows. Okay. So basically that will be how much? Once we take out the lows here, we can close most of the position and yeah, see if how the price is moving accordingly. But trust me, like if I want to take a sells, that would be here. The only thing is we've been just consolidating. There's not much movement, and so before 9:30, if price is still here, okay, then we'll see where it's moving. Okay, with I won't take trades at 9:30 exactly, but I'll see how price momentum is, and accordingly I'll take the trade. But if we move till here, like if we see a break of structure before 9:30, then we take a trade, sell here, put SL above, and target this lows we have. Okay. Once in the at the time of 9:30, if price is here, there's a high probability we'll see a bullish momentum before going down, and with that bullish momentum, we see taking all those highs and all. But all we need to do right now is wait. Sangeet is going live, guys. Okay, let's see what he's saying. Let me mute myself because then Let me continue the live stream because I was just texting him. Okay, now coming back to this part, price is still okay. Here's what we see. Okay, in this small consolidation zone, price created this as a low. We created this as a high, creating this lows, respecting this high here. Since then, we have been just getting smaller and smaller, right? Now, this is something a consolidation, but at the same time, there's a high probability we can just break out of this. But what do you see for price to break above or below? We need a volume, and we have high volume news within half an hour. So because price is consolidating because of that, basically, right? And there's two things you can do. Either you go to higher time frame, like a 4 hour and so, and you bet on your and now what we say, what's the word? Like analytical mind or something like yeah, you're on your skills, basically bet on your skills that price will move down or up, and accordingly you take the trade directly before the news. If you win, congratulations, you made money. If you lose, you lose around the respecting amount, like 1%, 2%, not more than that. But if you're gambling, then you will lose more than that. We are not gambling. We are not gamblers. We are going to manage our risk. I mean, what's the point of gambling, right? Like, what's the point? Tell me one thing. What's the point? I mean, okay, 9 p.m. We got 1 minute or 15 seconds, you can say, for 30-minute candle to open newly. And what you will see here, okay, we just follow the price action. We do not do much. We created this as a high, creating this as a low. We are respecting this levels, as I said. If you're respecting this levels, there's a high probability we'll just continue moving down. And according to me, we can, if we are moving down with this new candles, there's a high possibility we can break below this lows and we can tap into this as. But for that, we still need break of structure on a smaller time frame, 5 minute or 1 minute. Because if you do not have that, then there is no point for me to take a trade just blindly if we are not out of the consolidation zone. Like, no point at all. Now GJ is moving up, so have we break the weekly high yet? Have we break above the weekly high yet? Oh, we did not. So wait a second. We're gonna go and break the weekly high. That means The 50-minute breakout structure here, we can take a buy on GJ actually. Wait a second. Because we did take a buy here, we are still at the zone again. There's a high possibility we might break the structures. Let's take a look at the structures here. Okay, we have taken out the London low, price tap here, creating, now it's on to creating new highs. So yeah, I mean there's a good possibility that price could move forward. At the same time, at the same time, I want to just make sure that I'm not taking any trade like this. Even this I have not break the low of the previous candle. Like if we have done that, it would have been great, but we are still holding a support. This is strongly this levels. That means about this, if we have taken the trade, this was yesterday, we'll still be running that this trade if we have hold it basically, and we are getting another chance to take this trade. Now let's take a look at this. All I need is this 30-minute candle to wick down first. If it wick down in this levels and then flip bullish again, then I'll be happy to take the trade. But right now, no. With no bottom wick, because that means that 30-minute candle have no bottom wick, right? So it will be good to see a wick down and respecting this levels and then flip bullish. That will be something I'll be interested in. But other than that, I highly doubt that I will take a trade on this one like this. Okay, so what do you see on gold? We are still respecting those levels and we are consolidating at this point. Upside entry लूं? आप upside entry किस में लेने की बात कर रहे हो, गोल्ड में या जीबीपी जीपीवाई? गोल्ड में नहीं भाई, अभी कोई कोई जरूरत नहीं अपसाइड एंट्री लेने में. लाइक लुक एट दिस, वी आर जस्ट कंसोलिडेशन, राइट? दिस इज जस्ट कंसोलिडेटेड. लाइक प्राइस कहीं जा ही नहीं रहा है तो क्यों ट्रेड लेना है? लाइक थोड़ा रुक जाओ. देयर इज अ न्यूज इन अराउंड नेक्स्ट 30 मिनट्स. 30 मिनट रुक जाओ, आएगा एक न्यूज है. न्यूज के बाद देखो प्राइस कैसे मूव हो रहा है, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली लो ना ट्रेड. इतनी क्या जल्दी है? मतलब पैसा उड़ाने की जल्दी है सबको होती है, बट लाइक इतनी क्या जल्दी है भाई? We are seeing some volume right now, but still it's not enough for, I mean, I highly doubt that it's enough because we have how much we don't have much time. Like we got the 1 hour closure in around 26 minutes. So we'll wait for this candle. And if it's flipping bullish here and breaking the highs, then there's a possibility you can still take out around 30 pips from this and yeah, enjoy your trade. But I do not think so I'll take this trade because there's still a possibility that price may not move much. All right, we are seeing some volume and we are trying to break the highs here with the 30-minute candle, but I highly doubt that we will. But if we do, it's going to be a good one. We got 30 seconds. Let's wait 30 seconds and see. I'm going to mute myself for a minute there. Okay, we got the break of structure here. Okay, basically we did break above all these highs we have on a 5 minute time frame. We are breaking on the 1 minute time frame as well. Now, if you like to take a buy here, then you can. Should we? Let's take a look here. Yeah, we are breaking all this. Let's take around three. But as I said, I'm not going to risk much. All right, guys, I'm not going to risk much. Okay, we have taken a trade, putting SL exactly like around this, around 30 pips, not much. Okay, so I'll be losing around $300 if I lost this trade. And our TP will be around this levels. All right. So don't hesitate here. Like once we, if we, if we, if we come back down in this zone, then there is no point of this trade. But as long as we are above that zone, then we are good. Because we have 17 minutes and price can do anything. So that's why I have put SL exactly like this much. That's 25 pips. The only reason I have put SL there is 1 hour candle will totally flip bearish if we go below this level. So according to me, there's a high possibility we can still, but yeah, our trade is till here and we'll close everything at 2752 or so. Also keep in mind, there's a high possibility we could just move down. We are currently losing $63, $64. 5-minute candle in next 2 minutes bring down. So that means this will be not the proper break of structure if this 5-minute candle flip bearish. We got 1 minute, guys. The only reason I'm managing my risk at this point because there is a news, and otherwise I would have hold it, giving a proper stop loss below this levels or below this levels at least, and we'll see how the trade is. But as we have news in next 50 minutes, I want to just make sure if price is going to fly right now, and with the news, it will just zoom down. Then we take the flies and wait for the zoom. I mean, price moving down. But if it's just a fake out, then we'll see it right now because we have 1 minute left. Eighteen seconds. Keep in mind, guys, once we hit these levels, try to manage your position, close something, because there's a high possibility we'll just wait till that level. I'm checking price at 1 minute because if price is coming back to the levels once having a profit around 10 to 20 pips above, then I'll put SL at break even and manage my risk accordingly. Yeah, price immediately break the highs yet. Did we? Oh, we did not break the highs yet. Like I highly doubt. Yeah, we did not break the highs yet. So it's totally normal to wick down first, then move up. But if we come back to below the zone, then there is no point because this is a really good zone. And if we want to see price move, this will be like this, or we can just break the highs and move up as well. Okay, we are moving down a little bit here. 30 minute is still open. So we need to make sure we are on the right zone here, right? We don't have much time. We have around 16 minutes left. Sorry, not 16. I mean 15. 15-minute candle closure is like around 30 minutes before the news. So if we are at this level and then this close bullish, close the trade at least. If you want to, you can close the trade. I'll put at break even. And if price is flying, I'll let it fly. And if it's not flying, then I'll be hitting at break even, right? But it's totally depend what do we see, how this candle is closing, to be honest. Good one, good one. Great. One minute is ripping down. Like what do we holding? Oh, we have a rejection level. That's why we are holding it. How much time we have for 15-minute closure? We have still 11 minutes, about 11 minutes. Okay, we got the closure, which is bearish on a 5-minute candle. And this is going to be an interesting one. So if this next 5-minute candle wick down, break the low of the 5-minute candle, tapping into the zone and flip bullish from that zone. So that will be interesting. That means we are in a right direction. Price will highly push up from this point. But if not, then keep in mind that we are in the news will be in the next 10 minutes. Price could just dip down then. The price is now consolidating, right, guys? So be on your toes. Like in the next 3 minutes, we'll know how price is moving. And yeah, like according to me, we are pushing down right now. We are not flipping bullish because if it's about to be done, then it should be right now. It's already been 2 and 42 minutes. It's a half of the candle time. So it should be now, like price should be now flipping bullish this 5 minute candle and should be closing around like 2749.175 or so. But if that does not happen, then price will likely to wick down back into the zone. And I cannot hold that trade for a long time. I'll put the SL here. Like once we are at least above like this 5 minute candle, once it closed, then I'll put the SL here on the trades. Because then we will have a huge volume in around 8 minutes. And there is a high probability we can wick down and take out our SL and things like that. There we go. We got 1 minute, last 1 minute for this 5 minute candle closure. And let's see how it does close. So last minute, price is showing some volume. Okay. So now this is the last 5 minute candle. So most likely, if it's going to wick down first or wick up, that is the main question, guys. Now that is the main question. Are you going to wick down or wick up? Okay, price did wick down there. Now the thing is, are we going to hit the SL? Because I highly think, there's a high chance that we will. Let's jump here. Jump to 5 minute to just, yeah, guys, close the position there. Close the position, guys. We just hit the SL there. All right, close the position. Now we wait. Now we don't take any trade. Now we just wait for price to move. Because if it's coming down back into the zone, then we are moving down for sure. That means this was just a fake out liquidity grab taking out the buyers or something like that. But yeah, let's see how it does then now, how it's moved now. As expected, right? Yeah, it's pushing down now because look at this 15-minute candle coming back below this zone. It was something I was not expecting. And if it's doing that, then there's a possibility we will just from here to we will just move till here. It's going to be interesting to see in next 2 minutes what price will do. All right, in next 2 minutes, what price will do. There's no related story yet. How much did we lose? We are back to 1.8%. So yeah, next candle will be important one. There is a high possibility we'll do something like this. Maybe. If not, then this will just be flying now. How much time we have? We got exactly 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Then Trump says something that move gold to a new low or a new high. Two things: a new low or a new high. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. It's like a, it's like might price not move at all, but I think price will like have a major effect. And for me, that could be first price driving up and before having the real effect. There we go. It just stopped for a second there. And I was like, we have a huge momentum coming in because or my price will be like not do anything. Is it going to do anything? What do we have? Did he say or did he not say anything? I don't think so it is affecting right now. Last he did speak was in Jan 2021. Well, there is no momentum. That means there is not much momentum, guys, because we got 30-minute candle closing bullish. 4 hour is still bullish. 1 hour is closed doji, but still, I mean, accordingly, it's respecting these levels, right? We did not close above that levels. So, questions: is price just playing around, or is it going to move up from here to here? Okay, you know what? I want to give another chance to my trade. The only reason I stopped is because there might be volume right now coming in. Thinking of that, I didn't take the trade and hold the trade, first of all. If price decided to move up, then we can. So, do we have any trade on GJ? Is GJ is moving? Oh no, guys, GJ did not move the way we wanted, but it did broke the 4 hour low consolidating here, right? On for gold, we had some volume. Okay, you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna give the usual. I'm gonna go back to my usual lot size. I'm gonna put 4 lots here, taking a buy, thinking that this time, as price have not moved much, it will go into our favor. Okay, that's all. Our target is 50 pips. If we win, we're gonna go home, and yeah, that's it. All right. But if price flip bearish from here, there is no going back. All right, there's no going back because then we might be losing a little bit here, and I don't like that because this is a perfect momentum, right? Doing a retest and moving up. So yeah, I mean, if you're moving, then this will be the zone. If you're not moving, then I cannot say much. We have around 50 seconds to see where price will be heading. So let's lock in your trades. And once we are hitting the TP, I'll be closing everything. Like, I don't want to risk that much trade. I was hoping that there will be momentum now. If not now, then we might just consolidate today and there won't be any momentum today. 22 seconds for 15-minute 5-minute closure here. Okay, 1 hour is flipping bearish again. 30 minutes going back, going below that zones again. हिंदी अरे हाँ भाई मैंने भी बस सेकंड चांस दे रहा हूँ मेरे गोल्ड ट्रेड को एंड देखते हैं क्या होता है अब बिकॉज लास्ट टाइम मैंने होल्ड नहीं किया ये ट्रेड द ओनली रीजन होल्ड नहीं किया बिकॉज न्यूज था अभी 5 मिनट पहले एंड ज्यादा मोमेंटम नहीं दिखा मेरे को सो आई एम जस्ट होपिंग कि आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग द स्ट्रक्चर इफ इट्स फॉलो द ट्रेंड then it will be moving up here then simple. Yeah, 1 minute is still like I don't know what it's doing but yeah, if we move up, this will be that zone. I highly doubt that if we break below this last, then there is no point of taking any trades. That means price is just consolidating in this point, and I highly doubt we should take any further trades because if price wanted to move with the volume that just you know with this candle, with this Trump speak, you know, then this 50-minute candle have totally feel bearish till here, and it should be moving further down because basically Trump will talk good about the economy for the US. So if we are doing something like that, then price should be moving here. We are not moving, right? That means there is not much to say right now, and we might see the effect tomorrow or maybe into the upcoming weeks because that will give us more clarity where price is heading. Right now, we just follow the technicals and take a trade accordingly as we see a huge bullish momentum coming in, price breaking the structures, retesting, rejecting, and moving up again. So accordingly, we have taken this trade and we are hoping that we're gonna hit the TP on this trade. All right. So I'll give you around how much time we have. I'll give you 7 minutes, not 7 minutes. 20 minutes? No, 20 minutes will be too much. Okay. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. I'll give you 7 minutes to see how this 15-minute candle flows, and accordingly, we'll see. But yeah, if you want to hold the trade, guys, the highest you can hold is the London high and Asian high, but don't hold longer than that because I highly doubt that will happen. But yeah, your target should be this. Okay, this or maybe this 40 to 50 bits. Well, for me, this is enough. So I'll target this edge. Your last 30 seconds. I think like price do have. So look at this, right? If you follow the right structures, then this is the way we are doing it. We were in a consolidation zone, rejecting multiple times these levels, and now we had a breakout, doing a retest, and now rejecting those levels. So this could give us the trade idea we needed if the fundamentals are not against us. Okay, if usually the only reason I closed this trade at 20 pips was if Trump did speak something really good about the US and gold just drive down immediately, then we will be fucked. So that's why I closed this. Okay. And it was a red folder news. I didn't want to risk everything on that. I didn't want to gamble on that basically because there's no point of doing that. So I waited after closing the trade and I seen that the price is rejecting now. That means we still have potential to follow the technicals properly to hit these levels or maybe move even forward. Okay. With the 4 hour closing bullish, which will be in 1 hour and 49 minutes. So it's totally depend on this 4 hour candle. Once we take out even this highs, let's mark this level, okay? Because once we take out those, there's a possibility we can reject. So we need to manage risk accordingly. But yeah, we will go up around, will be still up around how much from our entry point? We'll still be in profit around 15 to 16 pips. So we'll have chance to manage our risk and trade accordingly to those levels. Good night, bro. Good night. Bye. हाँ अभी अपसाइड ही जा रहा है बिकॉज फंडामेंटल का ज्यादा इफेक्ट नहीं था न्यूज का राइट नाउ तो अभी देखते हैं ओके आई नीड टू क्लोज दिस आई नीड टू क्लोज दिस let's close. Shit. We had a huge momentum just now. See, now the effect is happening. So if it's now happening, then there's a high possibility we'll just move down now. Like I'm checking like what's happening because prices that went down, it's now coming back up. So question is, what is this effect? Like I highly doubt that we should trade right now because you see we just lost that for price to break down and it's now again moving up. So possibility we could move further down with the 4 hour. So yeah, if you want to take a trade, you can be my guest. But yeah, I don't think so. I should take the trade. Price is moving so funny. Like if you take a look at the 1 minute, like look at this structure. It created a lower low, now trying to break the highs or something. But yeah, I don't suggest to take any trades. भाई मैं दिन में सिर्फ न्यूयॉर्क सेशन ट्रेड करता हूँ और नथिंग देन दैट लाइक अभी भी मैंने जो ट्रेड लिया है विच इज दिस फर्स्ट एंड दिस इज द सेकंड बट दैट्स इट अब मैं ट्रेड नहीं लूंगा बिकॉज वी ऑलरेडी लूज the amount, the percentage we were about to lose, and we are up only 0.50%. I need that 0.50% to trade tomorrow also to see like first I'll analyze what kind of a fundamental we have, and accordingly I'll take a trade tomorrow. Indian market mein I do not trade much, but I try to hold some build a stock portfolio or something you can say. By fundamental कौन सही होता है फॉरेक्स में फंडामेंटल मतलब डिपेंड करता है चीज़ों पे बट राइट नाउ जैसे कि अभी जो फंडामेंटल था विच वाज प्रेसिडेंट ट्रम्प स्पीक तो जो प्रेसिडेंट जो नया ट्रम्प आई मीन सॉरी जो यूएस का नया प्रेसिडेंट ही वाज स्पीकिंग अबाउट द इकोनॉमी एंड ऑल बट नाउ गोल्ड इज मूविंग अप तो eventually our trade was right like look at this there is I don't know why our trade was right idiots now according to me we should take out the highs years and move up But yeah, I mean, I highly doubt I will be trading this. Should we take a trade? Like, should we take a last chance? Let me take a look. But no, I mean, I have already lost around 2%, 2.5%. That's what I have lost, right? And I don't think so. I should take further trades, right? Just let me see how much did I lose today. Just let me calculate things because oh yeah, no, 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 no. There is no way I'm gonna take a trade. There's no way. There is no way. There is no way. We lost because of the news. How much we lost today? We have in total we have lost 3%. 3% is huge, and I really don't feel like we should take any further trades. So yeah, guys, we will come back tomorrow. And for today, we didn't have our luck basically, but yeah, our analysis was correct. We did break above. We did had a nice break of structure. I told you here, like if so, yeah, our analysis was correct because take a look. Okay, I told you that if we respect these levels, okay, and 15 minute, 30 minute is respecting those levels, with 1 hour we were still confused on like it was just closed at the bank at the like closest it should be closing. So there was a highly possible chance that we might just reject and come down. But yeah, price is doing something crazy right now, and I won't suggest to take any further trades. But yeah, that will be at like in the start I did explain that with this London trade we took a trade here which was breaking the taking out the London low, and once we do that price will start moving up and we should take out the highs we have here. That was usually our target, but eventually we did hit the TP. So our trade was something like 50 bips, right? Here the only issue was our SL was not that big. So we did not calculate our SL properly. We go with the amount, not the proper structures. Usually, whenever I take a trade, I look at the market structure basically. So if I go to 15-minute time frame, according to me, a price do need this much room to play out properly and move. Okay, and I did not give that much. So yeah, that was the reason I think we lost this trade. But anyway, we're still doing good. Like we've been trading this funded account for a month, I guess. Not month, for a month. Today is what, 23? Yeah, we still have 3 days for a month to go. So basically, tomorrow we'll decide how much we'll end the month with, basically, and we'll see. We'll see how we are doing with the funded account. But the good thing is we are managing our risk, we are managing our trade ideas, improving our with the analysis and things. So we are doing good in some ways. At least we have not lost the account, and we are doing what we can. Okay, so yes, thank you for watching the live stream. I hope we see you in the tomorrow live stream, and we'll see what we can do. Okay, thank you for joining this, and we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, bye bye. Don't make dumb mistakes because okay, I'll explain you one last thing. Price could There's a possibility after tapping into this as price could move down. Okay, there's a possibility after tapping even higher we could move down. Why? Yes. Okay, because we have a huge like a really strong resistance coming up now. Once we break above this resistance, then and only then we can see a higher structure forming in and price moving much higher. But for me, I don't think so. I should be taking any trades right now because price is doing something crazy and I don't want to be part of that. Okay, it could either just move up, it could just either move down. come back to our entry point, even further come down to these levels and then move up. So we don't want that. And to be honest, with the daily candle, if this daily candle flip bullish, then there is something else. Then we'll take out the highs and even move higher. But I highly doubt that that will happen today. So we'll see you tomorrow and we'll see what we can do. Okay. Don't make the mistake, don't over risk. And we have still tomorrow. All right. So that's why I'm not trading, because I lost 3% today. All right. Bye.